challenge you to an eating contest. I have here some protein style burgers from my big Pyrenees. Finley, wanna come eat with me? Come here. Come on, that's funny. That's for you, come here. All right, ready? Set. Go. Oh no. You didn't put. He's like, no pickles. I'm sorry, look at the ketchup. I lost. I left 3 bites in my mouth. This one's gonna go to the filmer. Here, put it in your mouth. Taste test. Was it good? Mm-hmm. You like it, Belly? All right. You have been challenged 2 dogs to an eat-off. We have a protein style burger for 3. Are we ready?
I'm ready. Heart's ready.
Get set.
Hunter's ready.
Eat the food. Go ahead. Eat this, Hunter. This is for you. Good girl. Yep. Go ahead.
Right, that's yours. No, don't.
That's it.
Here.
I mean.
That's yours. That's yours.
And go. Eat it, Farty. Eat it, Hardy. Hardy, go. Oh, Matt's gonna get a head start. Better eat like you mean it. Go, go, go. What can you say? Go ahead, Heart. Eat the food. It's for you.
All right, Hunter beat me. You shouldn't eat the pickles though.
Hunter. Hunter says she's done. You gonna eat it, Heart? I think Dad's gonna beat you.
I'm gonna put it on the floor for her. Maybe she doesn't want to eat off everything.
She's like, we're not supposed to do that.